Hi there, friends. Today we are going to do a holiday craft. Would you like to join me? You would? Wonderful, let's go. This craft is a little trickier, so I asked my human to help. First, we need colorful pipe cleaners and some beads. It might help to put your beads in a bowl. Next, pick out your two favorite colors. I think red and green would look nice. Then, asking an adult for help, cut the pipe cleaners in half. You should now have 4 pieces. Next, take 2 of the pieces and twirl them around on each other. Then, form the combined pieces into a candy cane shape. Next, take your favorite beads and add them to the candy cane. I think we will do 1 of each color. I think that looks nice. Voila! A candy cane gift for your favorite person. Repeat the steps to make another gift. Remember, the first step is to twirl them together. Now we form the candy cane shape. And the last step is to add the beads. I think we will do all stars this time. And there we go, a perfect holiday gift for your mom, dad, or maybe your best friend. And look, the two combined together make a heart. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed this easy holiday craft. Like and subscribe for more fun cat adventures. And until we see you next, always remember to be brave, thoughtful, and kind. Happy holidays!